How to make an Apple ID. First of all, you need to go to this website here, appleid.com. Now, you need to click on Create Your Apple ID. Now, you will be required to fill in all this information to create your ID. You'll be able to see here your first name, last name, your country or region, your date of birth, now your email. This has to be an email that is not already associated with an Apple account, and your password. Here are the requirements for your password. Now, you have to add your phone number as well. Depending on your country, you will have to select a different country code. Now down here, you can select to verify your phone number with a text message or a phone call. And you have the option of toggling on and off the announcements and emails. And down here, you'll have to write the characters seen on the image. If you can't read them, you always have the option of creating a new code. Now let's type this. Okay, perfect. So now what we have to do simply is click continue. And perfect, the account has been created. All you have to do now is click sign in, add your information. So we'll begin with the email. And if you want your information to be remembered, simply click remember me. Perfect, now let's add the password. Okay, so we have logged in to our new Apple account. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing.